DoorDash life. Got my umbrella, got my bag. Let's go. Alright, so this is 2 orders, Wendy's and KFC, but no tip, and a long way to travel. Instead of hitting decline, we're just going to let it go ahead and go off for missed delivery. On to the next option. We're going to go to Applebee's and then make our way downtown Augusta. Now, the reason why we actually selected this one was because they gave a pretty decent tip for this weather. Look at this weather. You don't want to be driving far outside of your hot spot, especially not in bad weather and with no tip. So here we go. All right, so confirming that was picked up. Putting the food in the car safely. All right, let's go. Road.
Is on the right.
Alright, we're done. Alright, leaving one customer and another one just came in.
Like and subscribe, then go for a ride with me on DoorDash Life.